Let me show you this. You can check that out. There's our severe weather threat overnight. Wind gusts of 60 to 65, maybe some quarter-size hail. Now, I say overnight, and that's accurate, but it's closer to sunrise. So this is the latest severe weather outlook. All the precip, the rain, the flooding rains have moved out. And then watch what happens. We're quiet. There's midnight. Nothing happening between now and midnight. A big complex of storms looks like it develops up around Oklahoma City, okay, around 2 or 3 o'clock in the morning. All of the computer models keep that complex of storms out of the state of Texas, except for one. There's only been one of the dozen models that we look at that have been accurate in the last 24 hours, and the model that I'm showing you right here is the one that's been accurate. The other 11 are keeping all of these storms that develop in Oklahoma. It's moving it east into the state of Arkansas, parts of northern Louisiana. But at 4 o'clock in the morning, the one accurate model that's been good the last 24 hours, there's a cluster of storms at 4. It's in a weakening trend as it crosses the Red River. There it is at 5, 6, 7 o'clock in the morning. About 6 or 7 in the morning, it's moving at 5, 6, 7. It's moving into the Metroplex in a weakening phase. There we are at 7. Here we are at 9. Everything's gone by 9. Then as we go through the day, I mean, other than a stray shower or thunderstorm, most of the day on Tuesday is going to be dry. But then as we get into late Tuesday night, things start to ramp back up again. Now, Tuesday afternoon and evening, if we have a thunderstorm that's able to pop up, we're not going to have a whole lot of forcing. We're not going to have a cold front. We're not going to have a dry line nearby. So it would just be one of those air mass thunderstorms that pop up. It could have some small hail and some gusty winds. Now let's look at late tomorrow night. Here's 11 p.m. tomorrow. Here we go. Not much happening. There's 7 o'clock in the morning. Here's another cluster of storms. It crosses the Red River, still fairly intense at 9 o'clock in the morning on Wednesday. There we are. It passes through the Dallas-Fort Worth area Wednesday morning. There's noon Wednesday. Finally, by 2 or 3 o'clock on Wednesday, all of North Texas is in the clear. Wednesday night, we dry out. How much more rain will we pick up? Remember, we have the potential tonight, the other potential on Wednesday morning, and then I have some scattered thunderstorms in my forecast Saturday and Sunday. If you're underneath one of these heavy thunderstorms, you're going to have 1 inch or 2 of rain. But generally speaking, another ½ inch to 1 inch for the Dallas-Fort Worth area, lower amounts to the west of Fort Worth, and then we could see 1 to 3 up across parts of northeast Texas. And as far as the temperatures go, humidity, of course, is sky high because we've had so much rain, the last couple of months. But the normal high now through Sunday is 89 to 91. So when you look at these high temperatures, they're fairly close to normal. But this is the part you should feel free to complain about. Heat index values will be in the triple digits beginning tomorrow. 105 tomorrow, 103 on Wednesday, a heat index on Thursday and Friday. These are our dry days. You can see there are warmer days with highs almost in the middle 90s, but it's going to be hot as we head through the rest of this week. Tonight, 74. Remember, late tonight towards sunrise, about half of us pick up some scattered thunderstorms. After that complex moves past, we're only looking at an isolated storm or two, and 93, a very warm day, a very humid day tomorrow. There's that other chance of rain on Wednesday, Thursday, Friday, dry. Saturday, Sunday, Monday, Tuesday, more rain starts to move in, and then we dry out finally the middle of next week. And then as we head right through Father's Day weekend, temperatures start to go up, middle 90s, but finally some dry weather. So a couple more days of rain. We get a break for a couple days, then 4 more days with some rain. Then we have finally a break with 6 days with no rain. But knowing how these forecasts work, I would expect June 12th through June 17th at some point, we'll insert a little bit of rain into that forecast too. But hey, the good news is, I mean, that's the middle of June, and you still don't see any triple digits on there from just an air temperature standpoint. Oh. I'm always looking at my glass is always half full.
It is?
It is. It's always half full. Is yours half empty?
No, mine is always half full.
Okay, that's good.